2010 Dodge Ram, and it's a 3500 one-ton heavy duty crew cab with the long box, 8-foot box, 4-wheel drive. With a 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel engine. This truck is in really nice condition. It's a local truck. It has factory 17-inch chrome alloy wheels, and it has the Toyo Open Country MT mud terrain tires. There are about 50% tread still remaining all the way around. It's got the black steps, tinted privacy glass in the rear, with the trailer tow package, and it's an SLT model. It has a bed liner, the paint's all in great condition. It's got the flip out tow mirrors with power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, heated mirrors, power seat with the automatic transmission, and for mileage it has 116,471 kilometers. CD player, air conditioning, cruise control, dual airbags. It also has the push button electronic exhaust brake, turn dial 4-wheel drive, power rear sliding window, just push button up there. It's got the flip up console, middle seat in the center. Built-in electric trailer brake module if you're towing a trailer that requires trailer brakes. Interior is in great condition. It also has the in-floor storage as well, storage compartment. You can view this 2010 Dodge Ram 3500 Cummins diesel at Kolenberg Motors at 3537 Cowichan Lake Road in Duncan.